In this video, we'll cover how to fix common swap errors in Coinbase Wallet. So if you've ever tried to send crypto and you get an error that says you don't have enough Ethereum or you don't have enough BNB Smart Chain to complete the transaction, but you're not even trying to send that token, that's because that is the network fee, which means that you need to get some of the network fee to cover transaction fees between the two. So what you can generally do is you can swap some of the tokens that you have for the network token. So all you would do is click on swap, and then you choose from whatever asset you have, and 2 would be the network fee token, so BNB Smart Chain or so forth, and then you'll just click on the amount you want to swap for and then add crypto to your wallet. Now, knowing the amount of network fees is not going to be really possible because it depends on the time, it depends on network congestion, and I believe it also depends on the amount. And that will immediately fix your swap error if you have bought enough of the network fee. That is the most common swap error that I can think of. If you have any others, let us know in the comments section and we'll do our best to try to either make a video or respond to you in the comments section. Don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.